Hi everybody, today I am going to show how to deploy the WAR file created from any one of the Java IDE, for example Eclipse, and another example like IntelliJ IDEA and NetBeans. The main purpose of this video is to configure the Tomcat 7.0.35 web server to deploy the WAR file. Then first, what you have to do, you have to download the Apache Tomcat and just install the Tomcat on your own directory. Let's say, for example, in my example, where I install my Tomcat Apache is home slash user slash Apache slash Tomcat hyphen 7.0.35. This is the directory where I install Tomcat. Directory where I install the Tomcat. Okay. There under this directory there are lots of folders. For example, conf and another bean, another lib. But what we have to do is to enable this manager login to manage the Tomcat container. There is a directory config. Under the config directory, under the conf directory, there is a file name, there is a file name tomcat hyphen users.xml. Then what you have to do, you need to add the following line on this following line in the above.xml file. Okay, the line is user name, like name of the user. I'm going to put admin username, and the password for this admin user, I'm just putting simply admin, admin. And the very crucial thing is you have to assign the role like manager hyphen v to this user. Like then you can assign the role by roles, manager hyphen gui manager hyphen gui role slash establish. This is the configuration you have to do in the Tomcat server. But I already configured these things in my server. In the my Tomcat server address, my Tomcat server IP address is 10.0.0.153 and the port number is 8080. Let me open this server. http://10.0.0.153:8080. This is my Tomcat login page. Then if you click on the manager app, it will ask for username and password. This is the same username and password you added in this tomcat-users.xml file. For my example, the username and password is admin and admin. I'm logging with admin and admin. Okay, this is the Tomcat Web Applications Manager page. Then this is the main control page to manage the server. As you can see, the server information. That means the Tomcat server running information, like Tomcat is running on the JVM version, Tomcat version, and JVM vendor, and OS name, the operating system names, then OS version, then OS architecture, and hostname and IP address. That's the Tomcat manager. What I am going to show you, I am going to create the WAR file from this Java Dynamic Web Applications. Then I am going to create the WAR file. I do an export WAR file, and you can put the whatever name you want. Then the destination is I am going to store on this desktop, save, it says already exists. Let me delete if there is already exist war file in my, yeah, there is already exist one war file. I am going to delete this file. Then I am just going to create another war file. Run as answer. No, sorry. I have to create the war file. Then import war file. Yes, here regret. Here is the track. Wait, right click and import war file. Right click, export, sorry, not import, export. We have to do export war file. Yes, create tracker. Destination is I am going to save on the desktop. Okay, this is the file. Finish. This is the war file I created. See, there should be one file, this war file. I am going to deploy this war file on this my Apache Tomcat server. Then deploy here. What you have to choose file. Then there should be this war file I already created over here. Where is this war file? Let me see. Create trackable. See, open. Then deploy. Then your web application is deployed. Let's see. To access your this deployed new applications, you have to, if you open the new browser and put http:// 10.0.0.0.153:8080. See there, you can see what's your name of the application, /csgrad tracker /csgrad tracker. And this is your login page. This is your web app you hosted on this server address. This is the process to deploy the war file on the Tomcat server. Then one interesting thing is you can start the hosted applications without restarting their container. Let's see what you are. Just you can, if you stop over on this application, just stop, then your application will not work. Let me show you. See, it's not working. Then you can do at a dynamic, like without restarting Tomcat container. You can just start. If you open browse, if you browse it again, so that's how you will start and install those web applications hosted on the Tomcat server without starting and installing the Tomcat web applications using the Tomcat web applications manager. That's all the process you have to do to deploy the war file to Tomcat 7.0.35.